Welcome to episode of Damn TV. This is Damn Creator. We're back with another video, and today we are reviewing something very special. This is from a company known as Waba Hair and Beauty Supply. They're located out in Phoenix, Arizona. If you are in the Phoenix, Arizona area, please head over to 3601 West Camelback Road, Suite 140. That's in Phoenix. Okay, so go ahead and check it out, and check out their website. I know this is, I've been trying to get a new wig to some of the last looks I have. They weren't up to my liking, so I had to get a new wig. And if you can hear a little bit, I am getting over a cold, but I tested negative for COVID, so I'm glad about that. And, yeah. Ooh, this is beautiful. I love the packaging. It's nice and pink. Really cute. Nice little hot pink. Oh, okay. So they got $20 wigs. Hurry up to WabaHairSupply.com. That's where you'll find that $20 wig sale. Alright, so today I am doing a review on a headband wig. Unfortunately, I'm not going to place this on my head because, of course, my hair is done. But this is a headband wig I wanted, and this is the color TT27. And this is in the style Ivy. I am looking forward to actually throwing this out and see how they did. I never owned a headband wig before. I have a headband and wigs, but never a headband wig. So this is actually definitely new to me. First of all, the packaging is also beautiful. This is a kiss and go. Absolutely gorgeous. Ooh, the packaging is always good, especially when they do some of these wigs. Okay, so they got this little net here. I'm gonna take that off. Like I said, I'm not gonna throw it on, but oh my goodness, you guys, this is pretty. I love it, and it's like a nice little cute little ombre color. Can we say something for the holidays? Maybe, maybe. Now, I noticed that this is it's probably going to be a bit snug. And if I undo this part, this is not my usual rose net cap. There are no clips in the back, so it's just a basic secure. And that's pretty much fine because, of course, the headband is pretty much going to secure everything. But the tracks look amazing. This is a synthetic wig, so it does like braiding hair, but it is good. And the quality is beautiful. It is nice and soft. I love how it is layered. What I really don't like is how messy it looks, but a little bit of like a comb and stuff like that. My tangled brush won't do any harm. I absolutely love this color, especially how it holds up to the light. It is really pretty. I cannot believe how pretty this looks. Now, normally, before I was introduced to colored wigs, I wouldn't go for anything like this because most of my wigs were either black, black brown, or just black. Now that I've been experimenting with color with braiding styles and stuff like that, and with my Harley Quinn wig, which is probably in that blue bag over there, I'm not going to show you because that spot's a mess. After playing around with this a few times, I actually like this. This is really cute. Okay, so I want you to zoom in on this headband though. It's wrapped around the entire hair, so you can do a ponytail, you could do it high, you could do it low, and it won't look like you just but it won't look like a wig per se, even though it is. But it really looks damn near natural, which is beautiful. I need to know what type of hair this is, because it feels like braiding hair, but it doesn't really say what kind of hair this is. Oh, I'm glad it comes with instructions though. And they say use a wide tooth comb to gently remove any tangles before washing it, and then turn the cap inside out. And soak for 5 minutes in a wig solution, a solution of cold water and wig shampoo. And it says wash gently, do not rub or twist. Okay, yeah, so yeah, so the next thing I might have to do is um get some wig shampoo and conditioner sets, because eventually I'm gonna have to start learning how to take care of my wigs. But the wide tooth comb that I have, and I have a tangler brush as well. Oops, baby. I would love to use. I'm very excited about this. What else? So the wig. Oh yes, look at that. Look how it's going through the comb. You see that? No shedding, none whatsoever. There is a few tangles, but this tangler brush can get with the best of them, and I am really happy about this. So definitely check out Waba Hair and Beauty Supply, and also check out WabaHairSupply.com. That's that's WABA Hair and Beauty Supply in Phoenix, Arizona. And also be sure to check them out on Waba Hair Supply. I think I'm probably saying that wrong. They also have a TikTok page. I'm surprised they didn't put that in there. But they have a TikTok page. I believe they have a Facebook and an Instagram. I'll probably put that in the description. But please definitely go check out Waba Hair Beauty, Waba Hair and Beauty Supply in Phoenix, Arizona, and also check out WabaHairSupply.com to get wigs like this. This wig was under $20, and for something that's this good and nice and high quality, under $20, it's always perfect for me. So that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Share this video if you share cool stuff. Click the notification bell so you notify of all of my videos. Most of the people that probably watch my videos, give or take, are not subscribed to the channel. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you notify of all of my videos. The first link in the description, and will always be in the description box, is the latest reviews I've done. I review stuff like wigs. I also review stuff like detangler brushes. I did review this detangler brushes when I'm using on the hair. If you want to learn more about this detangler brush, go ahead and check out that playlist. I also review stuff like skincare products and other things like that. So go ahead and check it out. From our earliest review to a recent review, which is going to be this one, please go ahead and check out the damage review playlist, which gets updated as soon as I post YouTube videos and stuff like that. I'm probably going to get back to uploading when I get back from vacation. I'm heading to Mexico. So this video will not get uploaded until I come back from Mexico. So this will be in the stash for a little bit while. But I will see you all next time. Bye.